Hello, my name is Lucia Cangas. I'm AVAP's Marketing and Channel Lead. Today, I will be showing you how you can create an AVAP ID. An AVAP ID is your unique and secure credential that unlocks the entire AVAP framework ecosystem. It allows you to access, manage, and interact with all AVAP services, products, and environments, whether free or paid, cloud-based, or on-premises. Every action you take within the AVAP framework requires authentications through an AVAP ID. Your AVAP ID is non-transferable and it is tied to your unique license. Okay, so let's get started. Let me share my screen and we'll get to it. So the first thing you need to do is go to AVAP ID site. That's avapid.com. Here you have to click on Create AVAP ID. There you have to complete the form with an email and a secure password. We recommend that the password has uppercases, lowercases, special characters, and numbers. Once you have all the information here, you have to click on Continue. Okay, so the next step is to check your email. We go to our email here in Gmail, and we have an AVAP email. So what we need to do next is to confirm the email address. So we click here, and then we wait for the success message. So now we have created our own AVAP ID. Now you can enter with the email you have created your AVAP ID and your strong password. And there you go. Now you have successfully created an AVAP ID and you're good to go. So thank you for joining me today, and we'll be back with some more tips and quick guides. Thank you.